Finance, example 6. A certificate of deposit, CD, is one way to save money at a rate that is typically higher than that of a standard savings account. The caveat is that you cannot access your money for a specified period of time without having to pay a penalty. Suppose you deposit $4,750 in a 5-year CD, paying 4 4/10% interest, compounded quarterly. How much will you have in the account at the end of the 5-year term? So I highlighted all this information because it's really important that we read everything here to figure out what we need to do. Compounded quarterly. That looks like compound interest. We have how much we deposited. Looks like we're just depositing it one time, right? In a 5-year CD, looks like our time is 5 years. Paying 4 4/10% interest. Looks like my rate is 44 thousandths. Compounded quarterly, it looks like my N is 4. And I want to know the value of the account at the end of the 5-year term. So clearly we're trying to find the future value or the total value. So we need this particular formula for compound interest, the future value or ending value for a compound interest. So let's substitute our principal in for P, our R, and for the rate, it's quarterly, so 4. And then 4 times 5 will be our N times the T. Okay, let's go ahead and multiply that together. All right, so when I put this in my calculator, I will get $5,911.76. Okay, that's what they asked for. B, at the end of the 5 years, you decide to reinvest all of the money from the 5-year CD in a 3-year CD, paying 3.5% interest, compounded quarterly. 5-year CD, oh, now it's a 3-year CD. How much will be in the account at the end of the 3-year term? So what are we reinvesting? We're reinvesting this amount here at the end of the 5-year CD. Okay, so this time my principal will be $5,911.76. My time, well, it's a 3-year CD. My rate, well, the rates fell, 35 thousandths, and it's going to be compounded quarterly as well. So A equals $5,911.76 times 1 plus 0.035 divided by 4 because it's quarterly. And then we have 4 times 3 for my N times T. Now we're going to get 12 there when I multiply that together. And so I get $6,563.26.